and welcome to this video. So, samahan niyo po akong magluto ng LELUT balatong. This is an infamous Ilocano dish and usually kinakain siya for dessert or just as an afternoon snack. This is one of my favorite dishes growing up, so I'm really excited to try this one. I just want to shout out to Michael Tumales and Rogelito Cortez. Thanks for commenting on my last video, and as promised, this is my shout out to you. I hope you guys are doing well, and for those of you who want a shout out, please comment down below and subscribe on my channel. With that out of the way, let's start cooking. Tatanungin niyo ako kung gaano ka-brown dapat, I also don't know. Hula-hula na lang. And then, for those of you who has food processor at home, you could chuck that in para ma-crush siya. Kapag wala naman, mano-mano na lang. Like that. Joke lang, hindi pala gumagana yun. Ay. Since plan A and plan B didn't work, let's just put this in a ziploc. Boil lang natin siya for maybe 20 minutes. And that was it for this video. I hope you guys like this video, and as always, please don't forget to like this channel and comment down below if you have any suggestions as to what my next video should be. I'll see you guys next time.